In this video, I'm going to show you how to optimize your YouTube Shorts to boost views right now. I'm Luke Sievers, here to help you grow your business online and build a lasting brand. Subscribe below for more marketing tips so you can do the same. If you're creating YouTube Shorts, there are several things you can do to optimize your videos to reach their maximum potential, and I'm going to share these tips in this video. Now, if you were looking for how to actually optimize your video as a YouTube Short, that's not what this video is about, but you can learn how to do that by clicking the video in the card right here. In order to get more views on your YouTube Shorts, there's something very important that you need to understand first, and that's your traffic sources. If you go into the analytics of any of your videos, you'll be able to see the different traffic sources that are sending people to your video. On a normal YouTube video, these include YouTube search, browse, suggested videos, and more. But notice, when I look at one of my YouTube Shorts, it includes all the same traffic sources as a regular YouTube video, plus one additional traffic source for Shorts. This is when your video appears in what's called the Shorts shelf. You see, many creators right now are viewing Shorts much in the same way they view TikTok, just hoping and praying that they'll get picked up in the Shorts section on YouTube. But again, this is just one of the potential places people can discover your video. And so the real advantage you have is the ability to optimize your Shorts to be discovered across multiple places across YouTube. One of the most important of these is YouTube search, and so that means even on your Shorts, you need to be intentional about your keyword research. You can use a service like Morning Fame or TubeBuddy to find the best keywords to include in your title, description, and tags. Because your short does have the chance to rank in search alongside regular YouTube videos. Now, it's important to note that while your video's description is not an element that will show up in the Shorts shelf, your video title will. So you want to simultaneously choose a keyword that's eye-catching, but also include your target keyword. With YouTube Shorts, what you'll often notice is that they gain an initial spike in views from getting picked up in the Shorts shelf, but this initial engagement is often short-lived. But by optimizing your video for search, you have the chance to make your video evergreen to continue to gain views even after that initial spike. Along those same lines, you still want to upload a custom landscape thumbnail. Again, many creators are not taking the time to complete this step because what they're noticing is their thumbnail does not show up in the Shorts section. But again, your video has the potential to show up in other places on YouTube where that thumbnail would appear. This includes search, the browse feed, and suggested videos. A good thumbnail is one of the most crucial elements for getting people to click on your video, so be sure and still add one like you would on your regular videos. And number 3, you actually do want to create a specific YouTube Shorts thumbnail. But Luke, I thought you said your uploaded thumbnail doesn't appear in the Shorts section. Well, that's true, but remember, your vertical short still does have a thumbnail. It just happens to be one that you can't specifically choose. YouTube will automatically select a random frame from the video to use as your thumbnail. But just because you can't choose it doesn't mean you can't optimize it. What you can do is add headline text to the top of the video that stays up there for the duration of the video. That way, no matter which video frame YouTube selects, you're still going to end up with an eye-catching thumbnail that can increase your click-through rate. Check out the link in the description to learn a quick way to add a headline like this. A headline can also help to increase your watch time and retention rate, because as someone is swiping through their Shorts, a good headline could stop them in their tracks and get them to watch your entire video. But keep in mind, when it comes to retention, even an eye-catching headline is not going to keep someone watching a boring, slow-paced video. So one of the most important optimization tips I can give to you is to keep your videos short and sweet. As I've mentioned, you'll often get an initial bump in views when you first upload your short. In most cases, it happens just a few days after posting, and it's basically YouTube testing your video in the Shorts shelf to see how people react to it. And though it may seem obvious, you actually have to produce a good video that keeps people engaged. But one of the more practical ways you can do this is by keeping your video quick and to the point. Don't use up your entire 60 seconds if you don't have to. Also, consider the pacing of the video and possibly edit your video to be shorter than you originally intended it if it will actually make your video more interesting to watch. Tip number 5 is to add a short section to your channel homepage. Another traffic source that can often be underestimated is people just checking out your channel homepage. And YouTube actually allows you to add a short section to your homepage. Now, currently this only appears on mobile, but for anyone who's checking out your channel on their mobile device, this is another potential for you to get more views on your Shorts. Click the link in the description below to check out my video for how to add this section. Number 6, link to other Shorts. Because YouTube is really pushing Shorts right now, the chances for one of your Shorts to actually blow up is pretty high. And if that happens, you want to be sure to capitalize on that by referring people to other Shorts that would be relevant to that viewer. Also, remember that YouTube's goal is to keep people on their platform longer, and so they're likely to reward you if you create this rabbit hole for someone to go down to watch another video that's relevant to that person. Now, to actually link from one short to another, you will still want to add an end screen as well as a link to the video in the video's description, because these elements will still show up in YouTube's search and suggested videos. The final way you should optimize your YouTube Shorts is to add a brief subscribe call to action to the end of your video. Another metric that YouTube uses to determine if a video is good is if someone subscribes after watching it. Not to mention, more subscribers likely means more views on your future videos. I recommend using a simple graphic or animation as well as a voice prompt. Something like subscribe below for more cat videos like this. If you want to see an example of one of my shorts where I added a call to action like this, you can check out this video next. Please like and subscribe to support this channel, and I'll catch you next time.